Did you know that it's never good to be disrespectful to the trial judge, even if you disagree with him? You want to learn what this is about? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. I'm shooting video here today at the American Association of Justice in Baltimore, Maryland, and I have a few minutes to share this great content with you. Now, there are many instances during the course of a trial, regardless of whether it's a medical malpractice case or an accident case or even a wrongful death case, where I will disagree with what the judge has ruled. Now, the judge is going to rule for one side or the other, and at some point the attorney is going to disagree with the judge's ruling. Does that mean that I have the right to be disrespectful? Absolutely not. And you will find that there are some attorneys who get so annoyed, so ticked off because of the fact that a judge has ruled against them, that now they start to become disrespectful. They start to talk back. Sometimes they'll even yell at the judge. That is a horrible thing to do. You want to know why? Who do you think is watching us? It's the jury. 6 members of the community that are sitting and watching this trial. They're there to judge who's more likely right than wrong. Let me tell you what will happen if an attorney is disrespectful to a judge. The jury is going to take it out on that lawyer and his client, guaranteed. They're going to wonder in the back of their mind, I can't understand, why is this lawyer being so disrespectful to the judge? The judge controls the trial process. The judge controls the courtroom, when things will happen. The judge controls what evidence gets admitted, what people are allowed to go ahead and testify. And now, at the end of the case, the judge tells the jury what the law is in this particular case. And if you are disrespectful, now the jury will take it out on me if I'm disrespectful. You know, there are many different ways to go ahead and let the judge know that you disagree without being disrespectful. At the same time, you're telling the jury, listen, I don't agree with you, judge, but I recognize that you're the one who controls this courtroom. I recognize that lawyers are supposed to act with decorum and treat the court respectfully. And if you don't do that, it's going to be a bad issue for you and your client. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you to give you an insight and an understanding into how the trial process works in any type of accident case or medical malpractice case or wrongful death case. And it's something that a lot of people who are contemplating bringing a lawsuit don't truly recognize. You don't want to know why? It's because they focus on what they see on TV and what they see in the movies. And it's very dramatic when you see an attorney talk back to the judge or start yelling and screaming and fighting with the judge. Well, guess what? If you do that in real life, that's never, ever going to help you. You know, I realize if you do have legal questions and your matter happened in New York, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. I do this every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.